Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. Get ready to elevate your projects with the DEWALT DE0882-XJ Floor-to-Ceiling Laser Pole. This tool is designed for precision. Standing tall at a maximum height of 3.3 meters, it securely mounts your laser levels for flawless alignment. With a robust locking mechanism and high-quality materials, the DEWALT DE0882-XJ ensures durability on any job site. Need versatility? The 60-degree horizontal rotation function makes it perfect for any application, from heavy-duty machinery installation to structural repairs. Say goodbye to guesswork. Achieve accuracy like never before with the DEWALT DE0882-XJ. Get the job done right. Mr. Worker. Work tools for professionals.